Ooh!
It's in your slime.
Oh no, get it out. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, A Forever Bond. I'm Ashley.
I'm Serenity.
And today we have a very special guest with us.
So the special guest is...
Hey, Serenity's dad. So this is Paris, Serenity's father. Say what's up to the vlog.
How's it going?
So, Serenity's dad lives in Atlanta, and he comes up here often to visit. So he's here for the weekend, and we pulled him into one of our vlogs so we can do a little challenge, a little slime challenge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make slime. I'm gonna make the color I want. He's gonna make the color that he wants. But the catch is we're gonna do it blindfolded, and whoever wins is the champion.
So we have these papers with numbers on them, 0 through 10, and I'm gonna rate their slime. So make sure you guys don't make it too sticky, and that's it.
Right.
Okay.
So she's gonna judge us, and whoever the winner is the slime champion. So we're gonna get started. Okay. So first, we probably need to be blindfolded, right? So we're gonna do this blindfolded. That is the challenge.
That's your bandana. That's my bandana.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. Mine is silky, so it's a little bit. Okay.
Let me see how many fingers am I holding?
Yeah.
Where am I?
Make sure Daddy isn't
To the
cheating. Make sure Daddy isn't cheating.
How many fingers is it?
I have no idea.
Oh my God! Yeah, I can't see anything.
Yeah.
How many fingers is it?
11. Okay. So where's my bowl?
Right there.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys want me to get started with the glue first?
Yeah. So let's get
Okay.
started with the glue.
Here's the
Let me
glue.
pour mine first. And tell me when to stop. I can't see. Where's the
Okay.
bowl?
Right there. You
Is this
got
the bowl?
it. Yes.
Okay. Is it going?
No. You're going. More. Tilt it more.
Okay. Is it working? What's happening?
Mm.
I don't like this. I can't see anything.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Okay. That's the daddy.
Okay.
My turn.
Daddy's turn.
Alright.
Put your spoon back in there.
Wait.
Where's my spoon? Is this my spoon?
No.
Right, I'm good. Serenity.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I have the glue in
Just
mine.
only a little bit.
Hopefully you guys can see, because I can't see if you can see.
Keep going.
Okay, stop.
Where'd I put the glue?
Right there. You have less than mommy.
Put it inside.
Yeah.
It's on the table.
Yeah. Okay. So what colors do you want to use, Daddy?
Okay. So
Ladies first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ladies
Mommy,
first.
what color
Okay,
do you
so
want?
I have the glue. What else do I need? I need. Well, don't tell me what I need. Just
Okay, so
I need
we're gonna
Tide,
see,
right?
We're gonna see what color it is. Yeah.
Do I
Wait,
need
no.
Tide?
First, put in your shaving cream. Let me
Okay.
go get it because
Okay.
it's far away.
Yeah, get the shaving cream.
So,
Okay. So I got this shaving cream. Can the camera see?
yes.
Okay, so they can see?
Yes.
Okay. So got the shaving cream. I'm about to put it in the bowl. Here's my bowl. I know. Don't tell me it's enough. I think.
Why are you?
I don't know.
Your hands.
I know.
Get on her hand.
Yeah, she's mixing it with her hands.
Oh, I'm not supposed to do that? Whoops.
That's what you have a spoon for.
Oh, that's right.
You know Vs is gonna win this one.
Okay, so I put the shaving cream in my bowl.
In the corner, it's not all over.
Oh. This is gonna be a messy project. Okay. Do I need Tide?
What I'm gonna do? Shaving cream, then.
Yeah, then that.
Okay. So Daddy's doing shaving cream.
So it's kind of in, yours is in the corner too. Because Daddy, you have less. That's enough. Because you don't have much glue. Where's your spoon?
Right. Okay.
Mix it up.
Oh,
Shaving cream in the corner.
whip it up.
For me?
He's mixing glue.
Are you making the shaving cream?
Okay.
Get in the corner where your finger is.
Okay.
Over more.
Okay, what else do I need? Do I need Tide?
Well, you need.
It's on my nose.
How'd it get there?
I put it on there.
Oh my god.
You need food coloring next.
Okay.
But that
We don't
you
have
done
food
mixing.
Hold on, wait.
Well, not food coloring, but paint. We have paint. We have blue and green.
What is this, your hair?
Yes, and purple and orange.
Okay, so let me show them.
Oh, I showed you the here.
Okay.
We don't definitely follow.
Did you get it out?
Yes.
Okay, so what color do I have?
You have purple in.
Okay, so this is
Literally
pink, right?
purple, yes.
Okay,
Glittery.
so I have the purple glittery paint. This is the one that I decided to get. So should I just dump it in there? Am I dumping it?
Yes,
In the bowl?
it's in there.
Okay, guys. Sorry, our camera cut off. So
She was mixing a little bit more than the camera cut off, but she didn't realize that's why it's darker.
is it darker?
Yeah, it's more mixed in. No peeking.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So where was I?
you were mixing it, but I think you're done now.
Okay.
I don't think you're doing more peeking.
Okay. So I was mixing.
Daddy's turn. What color do you want? Green or blue?
Let me get the blue.
Give me. It's not pouring in. Yeah, we're not pouring in. Now it is. Okay.
Did you spill it?
I dropped it in there like I dropped that whole thing.
Oh my god.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, but you need more. Okay, that's good.
Okay. So is there anything else we need to add?
No. Now it's just time for the tie, but Daddy has to mix it in first.
Okay. Can he grab it, or do you have to grab it?
Okay, I might have to grab
Mix it up.
Mine feels pretty like good.
it. Okay.
Let me make cornbread.
We're gonna get it's not gonna be sparkly.
Don't I have a sparkly
you can add
one?
second
Yeah.
colors to it. Let's add some more color to it.
Yeah, let's add some more color to it, because I don't want mine just plain.
We're gonna mix it, but
Give me orange, please. This orange? So this is orange. Who used this one?
nobody it just fell.
Oh. Man. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Smell it.
It's like markers. Like those markers, like Sharpies or something.
Can you smell?
Anyway, so is this my bowl?
Yeah.
So this is.
Oh, okay. Sorry, it's in.
Is it a lot?
Yeah. Okay.
I could dump the whole thing in there. Okay, here's my spoon. So I'm gonna mix
Yours
it.
might turn out like a pinkish color.
That's okay. Can they see?
Yeah.
Okay, so this
It looks
is
pink
mine.
on camera.
So I'm gonna mix it.
Where's gonna turn? Oh, it's gonna turn to brown, but that's good.
Is it?
I've always wanted like a brown slime,
Brown slime?
like for Christmas, like a reindeer color or something.
Reindeer?
It's like it looks like red velvet.
Cake?
I don't know, like velvet ice cream.
Okay.
Okay.
So what else do I need?
Let me get the,
Green.
yes, the green.
I thought you already used green.
No, use the blue.
Oh.
It's the green.
This looks good. And I'm judging on the card too. Daddy still has a chance to win though.
Uh-huh. Okay. Is he done mixing?
Mixing?
I'm done mixing my colors, so I want to add
Tide.
Tide.
What does Tide do to us, man?
It activates it.
Activate it.
So this is the last step.
So who got the Tide? Me. I got the Tide. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Alright. Where's my bowl? Is this my bowl? Is this the Tide? Ooh!
Oh, that's too much.
Is that too much?
Yes.
I put
You're supposed to put it in the cup.
I can't see. That's my spoon. It's all right. We gonna make it work. we gonna make it work.
We're gonna bring this one home. This one is for us. So.
Oh, it's like real. I feel it
You have to keep
changing.
mixing.
I'm about to keep mixing, y'all. See, can y'all see? Make sure Daddy show his on camera too. They need to see what you mixing, sir. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's really. Can I touch it now? Did you say?
No.
No?
It's not done forming yet.
Feels like jelly. Feels like Jello. It's just like Jello.
I mean, now you can.
All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. What is it?
No, you have to mix it for it to be good.
Is my spoon stuck in there?
Yeah.
Oh my
Here
goodness.
you go, Daddy. It's your turn.
Don't use too much like me.
Where's the top at?
Over here somewhere.
Oh my god, is he missing?
So this is mine. Y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see it. I don't
Is
know.
it coming out, Serenity?
Yeah. Or you could stop. Don't add the whole thing, just add bit by bit.
Okay. Huh, move this out the way,
Mom.
Serenity.
What? What'd I do?
Take your spoon away. You don't need that now. Okay. Just use my hands? Yes. Okay. You have to need it.
Oh, you said a little bit flavor?
This is mine. Ooh. Ew.
Some more?
Yeah. This is really. It sounds so nasty. I don't like it. Actually, you know what it sounds like? Well, Tide is soap, and I probably use way too much. So Like when something's lathered up, like real soapy, that's what this sounds like.
It could still form, but there's a chance it might not.
It's a chance that I'm done with, y'all.
I do feel it getting thicker.
I think that's enough because you don't have as much as mommy. I would help you because I know how to fix it.
It's alright.
You just have to keep playing with it.
Oh, I don't like the way mine sound.
Yeah, my daddy's over here don't sound like that. Just mommy's over there sounds like that. So.
Whatever.
Mine's
I like yours because it looks teal.
Ooh.
And that's my favorite color.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am, your bandana is falling off your
I
eyes.
can't see.
It feels weird. This is my first time actually touching slime.
Really?
Cleaned up at my house a few times from Serenity. Even a mess, but it's my first time actually playing with it.
Okay.
Should I flip it over?
Sure. Yeah, yours is good.
Can we take our bandanas off now?
Okay, Mom, you can take yours off. Both of you can take yours
My
off.
blindfold?
All right,
Yes, wait,
Serenity,
wait,
can you
not
take
yet.
my blindfold off? Is your hand clean?
Take our blindfolds off at the same time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Mm.
All you had to do is... Woo!
Let there be light.
Oh, so here's mine. So mine looks kind of red.
I know.
It's a big old blob.
And then Daddy's.
Mine came out.
I'm gonna only do one thing for you, Mommy. I'm going to help you.
And mine is stretchy.
Let me feel yours.
Mine is stretchy.
I'm gonna feel yours. I'm gonna help you with this.
Like Laffy Taffy.
Mine isn't bad.
It's not good though.
Because you're doing this. You have to do this. Stretch it, put it
Okay.
together.
Let me see Daddy's. Let me see yours. Let me feel yours.
Yours is
Yours feel like mine.
a stick.
Mine feel mine. Mine is like tough.
Yeah.
Pull it.
Built for it tough. Yeah.
Pull
Feels like
it.
a Laffy Taffy.
Ooh.
Okay. I want to feel Daddy's now.
I mean, you
Good.
would know better than us.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, so who's the winner?
Let me test it. I gotta test it with some things. Okay, let me see yours.
Mine got that bounce. And that
Let me see yours.
Mine do got
Let
that
it go.
bounce. And the stretch.
Okay, so test it. Let's try to click it.
It's not clicking.
Let's try to stretch it. Yours really gotta stretch it.
Uh-huh.
Let's try to bounce. It doesn't bounce.
You guys comment down below who has the best slime.
Yeah, definitely do that.
Yours needs some lotion.
I think my slime has the best
I
slime.
think mine's is a little ashy.
No. Look at this. Look at this. Elasticity. Is that how you say it? Elasticity?
Okay,
Elasticity.
yours is clicking now.
It's
clicking
elastic.
now. Listen, it's clicking.
After all that work you put into it, I mean, CPR and everything.
I got
Okay.
whatever. My slime
Now-
out here.
Try yours out.
Let's get that out the way.
I like the consistency.
Who's slime?
Daddy's.
Okay.
Mine's
Very clicky.
mine's clicking off the top.
Whatever. I do like the color.
Oh, we
I
gotta
need
try
it.
yours bubble.
Yeah, do the bubble test.
Not the bubble tip.
Hold on.
Oh, fail.
I need more room.
Fail.
Ooh, sparkly little.
Sparkly.
Well, you put. Since his is green, it's like you could see sparkly better. Or it might not do the bubble, but it might click. Yes, it's clicking. I like
Mine
this
click.
one. I like this one.
Okay, go ahead. Do
Do
mine.
the bubble test.
Do mine to the test.
I don't think it's gonna be able to do it. Ooh, yours sparkly too. Okay. Well, I have decided who have won.
Okay.
And slime on the bucket of this, okay? So let's rate Goofish first.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you
You hear that snap, crackle, pop?
a 6.
Okay, got a 6. Okay. I'll take a 6.
It has
Above
good.
average.
It
I'll take a
has good consistency,
Mm-hmm.
but if you added lotion, it would be a little more. So I think you overactivated a little bit with the top.
You
Okay.
have more potential to come out.
I overactivated.
But it's
Okay.
good. Like if you didn't want sticky slime, it's good. So
Okay.
it's 6, and it looks like some dust, but it's 6.
Okay.
6 a mile. Okay.
All right.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you. I'll
for
take it.
effort.
Uh-huh.
Now, Daddy, you were just good. Let me find the card. So, my guess is, I'm sorry, Daddy, but you won. You have an 8
Mm-hmm.
because his is like more. Hers is stretchy, but his like cooking like bubbles with it, and it's like they're both. But
Okay.
his wasn't a little over, so it's 8.
Okay.
An 8 out of a 6.
I ain't no sore loser.
Good job.
Now congratulate each other. Shake hands and say congratulations.
Congratulations. Nice work.
Maybe next time.
Okay, guys, that is the
But yours is
end.
good for like shaping things. Like,
I know, right?
Yeah.
You got a bracelet. All right, look at that bracelet.
I like the color though. The color is definitely unique.
Thanks.
we'll work with it after. Okay, we'll put
Okay.
some lotion and stuff.
Okay,
And,
that's fine.
okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, so that's the end of our video. Hopefully you liked this video. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our vlog. And thanks, Paris, for being a part of our vlog and our activity. And we will see you guys in the next video.